Hello, this is a lesson on piece valuation assignment puzzle 3. All the material and puzzles can be downloaded for free at the website, so do check it out. Now this is a fairly common opening situation. Now it is red's turn to act. The question is it a profitable trade for red's rook to capture the horse in such a manner? Now let's have a look. Now black will respond by capturing the pawn with the cannon as such, resulting in a check. Now red, because it is a check, red has to respond by capturing the cannon with the horse in such a manner. As a result, black's cannon is able to capture the rook with this move. So how can we consider this trade? Let us first look at the tally for the piece values. Now we have red versus black. For red, you have captured one cannon as well as one horse for a total of 8.5 points. Cannon is worth 4.5 and the horse is worth 4 points. For black, you have captured one pawn which has not crossed the river for 1 point, as well as the rook which has a value of 9. So you have made a trade worth total of 10 points. As you can see from the piece value alone, red has a losing trade of negative 1.5. So this is not a favorable trade at all. Now to top it off, red actually has lost considerable moves making this exchange. Now you can see that red's rook has disappeared from the board. Therefore, all the moves that red has carried with the rook has disappeared as well. Now black's rook, which is the important piece, is now actually developed and outside, controlling key positions, whereas red's remaining rook is at a very inferior position at the side. So therefore, this is a very inferior trade for red to make. Thank you.